Hello, myself Dr. Sunil Kumar, Assistant Professor Commerce, Government PG College, Ogra Sonbhat. Friends, today I will here with the new chapter and new units of MCOM third semester research methodology paper. And while deciding about the method of data collection to be used for the study, the researchers should keep in mind there are two types of data collection process, primary and secondary. The primary data are those which are collected afresh from first time and thus happen in original format, original character, or originally find out by the researcher. The secondary data, on the other hand, are those which have already been collected by someone else and which have already been passed through the statistical process. The researcher would have to be decided which sort of the data will use in collecting process for this study, and accordingly he will have to select one of the method from the primary or secondary data. The method of collecting primary and secondary data differs since primary data are the original format or originally collected by the researcher, while in case of secondary data, the nature of data collection work is merely that of completion with describe the different method of data collection, which the pros or cons of each method. Experiment and survey. Why we are considering experiment and survey? Uh, we collect primary data during the course of doing experiment in experimental research. Experiment is direct belong to experimental research, and experiment refers to an investigation which factor or variable under test is isolated in effect measure. Uh, in an experimental investigator measures the effects of an experiment which he conducted in their research process. However, in case of the research descriptive type and performing survey or opinions from the respondents, process that are going on effect that are evident trends are the primarily concerned with the present, but at the time to outside part events yeah, influences by the current conditions. Thus in survey variable the exist or have already occurred in selected observations. Experimental research provides systematic and logical methods for the answering of questions. What will happen in this done when certain variables are carefully methods in the consideration of primary data collection. The interview method of collection data involve presentation of oral verbal stimulation and reply terms of over oral verbal responses. This method can be used through the personal interview and, if possible, through telephonic interview, which you have to select it in your research work. Personal interview under the consideration of interview method. Personal interview method requires a person known as the interview asking questions generally in face-to-face contact to other person at the time of interview may also ask certain question, and interview respondents to the relative questions, but usually the interviewers initiate the interview and collect the information if he is or she is in the interview mode. This sort of interview may be in the in from direct personal investigation or indirect oral investigation. Uh, Personal investigation, interviewer has to collect information personally from the sources concerned. He or she has to be on the spot and has meet people from whom data have to be collected. This method is particularly suitable for intensive investigation, but in certain cases, it may not be possible or worthwhile the contact directly to the person concerned or on account of the scope of inquiry. The directly personal investigation techniques may not be used. In such cases, indirect oral examination can be conducted, under which the interviewer has cross-examined other person who are supposed to have knowledge about the problem under investigation. The information obtained in recorded. Most of the committees or government committees carry an investigation may use this type of the method. Uh, Non-directive interview, there is a greater flexibility under the method of opportunity to restructure the question. When the time of asking the question, you can easily restructure your question, or we can say the question uh, making on the flexible mode for the changing anytime question structure when question is not appropriate for the respondent. Observation method can as well as applied to recording uh, verbal answer to the various questions. Sample can be controlled more effectively as there arise no difficulties or non-response, generally in very low cases, generally in very uh, minimum cases. The interviewer can usually control uh, the question, but it would be possibility to meld the questions approaches or describe the question for the respondents. The interviewer may be contain information, uh, some types of privacy, some type of language focus, educational label, uh, literacy label. These are the main affecting factor for to the respondents. The interviewer can collect supplementary information about the respondent, uh, environment of the taking information is taking main great place in the interview process, but there are so many weakness or demerits in the interview method, such as if it is very expensive method, it is a very expensive method because you had to move one to another places. There remains the possibility to the basis interview as well as the respondents not cooperate in the taking questions, and sometimes this method is more time taking, time consuming, and expensive to the researchers. The presence of the interview on the spot may over stimulation stimulated the respondents. Under this interview method, the organizational requirement selecting the selection process, training process, and some formatted, complex formatted organizational structure. It's would be beneficial for the training process and so many other implies related questions which under the consideration of interview methods. Interviewing at the time may be also introduce systematic errors. Sometimes we face systematic errors during the taking answer from the questions. Effective interview uh, purpose is in not proper way. Respondents that would be not in taking facilitation to frank response. They not make situations to putting their original opinion in the public places. This is often in very difficult to manage at that time when taking the answer of the question. And few other telephonic interview. One of the interview method telephoning. This method is collecting information consisting contacting the respondents on the telephone. It is not a very widely used method, but play an important role in the industrial survey, particularly in developed region. The some types of the merits have also under the interview methods on telephony. It is more flexible in comparison to mailing method. It is faster than the other method, quick response taking method. It is cheaper than personal interview method, low expensive, cost is not in very high position. Recall is easy, callback or simple and economically going on. Replies can be recorded. You can record it in very easy way of the respondent reply without causing any embarrassment or respondents hesitation. Interviewers can explain uh, their question in easy way. At the time, access can be gained respondents who otherwise cannot be contacted for the one of the other reasons. No field stop is required, no other expenses, no travel charges, no transportation charges. These are the main benefits or merits of the telephone interview. But this system had so many demerits also, such as little time in given respondent consideration of the providing answer in the during the interview, likely it not exceed the 5 or 4 or 5 minutes. Some of the most cases survey are restricted to respond or the inviting process would be based on free of cost, but should be advanced and not constructed during questionnaire. Structured questionnaire may also have fixed alternative questions. Uh, More sometimes we can say that an unstructured questionnaire in the interview, when we provide the unstructured questionnaire in the uh, taking answering process, uh, the respondents response is in very or response reply in very slow down motion, because the sequence of the such as what is your name, where you belong, what is the age between, what is your interest, these type of the question is making confusion to the respondents, because you are not asking the question in a proper way, in a structured way. So the respondents are taking time to put their answers. Structured questions are simple to administer and relatively inexpensive to analyze. The provision of alternative replies at the time uh, helps to understand the meaning of the question clearly, but such questionnaire have limitations too. For instance, wide range of the data, respondents' own words cannot be obtained in the structured questionnaire. Uh, Question sequence, how we prepared the sequence of the question, it would be make on the questionnaire effective and ensure it quality, it replies, it replied received process, it would be in very easy way. Researchers should pay attention to the question sequence. The question sequence must be in clear, smoothly moving meaning, not in double meaning. That the reflection, that the relation, one question to another question uh, during the time of reading questionnaire. Apart from the respondents which are easier or answering process, when the answering process start, the first view question and the second question and the third question in a sequence way. Question that put too great a strain on memory or intellect of the respondents. Questions of the personal character. Question related to the personal wealth. It would not be under the question sequence. You can't take their answers on the personal character, personal wealth. So this type of question you can remove, or you can put this type of question in uh, other words which not affect to the respondents. Question formulation and wording. What is the formulation of question and what words would be in the questionnaire? It is very important. Um, Things which we should be constructed while the viewer there, forming logical parts of the questionnaire. It should be in simple, it should be in convenience, and one of the respondents have a way to think in easier. How many razor blade you use annually? You can't put their blade brand name. He hesitate to answer because you take their opinion on the basis of economic structure. Uh, he feel he is very poor and using very cheap type of blades. So you can't put their name or brand name in their question. You can take their opinion in a proper way. Concerning the some other information which is important in taking data, verbal protection test, projection test. These are the respondents asking in the verbal way. For example, when do people smoke? Answer may be own motivation. He can put their opinion, or he hide their opinion because he ignored their opinion, because this is the personal question. Why do people smoke? When we ask to the respondents, when, why do people smoke, why you taking, why you smoking, these are the individual and these are the common question. uh, when you ask individual, you can't get answer in easy way. when we put when you put common question, you can get answer in easy way. There are several important notes on the taking data. Uh, some types of other collection process, such as depth interview. Depth interview are those interviews that are designed to discuss underlying motives and desired and motivational research. Such interview mounted.